Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got another slick 250 rolling out shop today. This one going on man David with the Pray for Gray Foundation. Y'all go check that out. Y'all can kind of see what we're going for, the color scheme here. Orange, white, smoky gray. So check out that foundation. We built this for them. Really sharp rig here. So like I said, our 250, 250 gallon tank. We'll open it up here. Now the counterweights are an add-on on the 250, but man, do they make it easy to open the doors up. You get 3 bottom trays, 2 top racks. Top racks do slide out. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. TMG Pits tail tooth thermometer, of course. We got a fold down stack that's standard on every tank smoker we build. And as you can see, this is on our off-road package. Fully fabricated axles, front and rear, brace underneath. This one did get our big upgraded wheel and tire package. Looks sharp on there. Stainless steel front shelf. That's a new add-on we're doing on the 250s. Of course, we got the stainless steel logo tag there on the side of the firebox. And speaking of firebox, let me tell y'all something. This sucker holds heat like you won't believe. It is fully insulated. The door's insulated, the pipe's insulated, and the front of it is as well. Makes this pit run like a dream. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. And of course, that custom patina job we did on there, guys. We can do any color you'd like. Really comes out sharp. Locked in with 3 coats of high gloss clear. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.